Hi kids! Have you ever wondered what's inside a seed? Have you ever eaten a seed? Where can you find seeds? Today we'll be learning about seeds. We will read a book about plants. We also are going to look at the model of a seed and learn what's inside a seed. And then we'll talk about your homework assignment. We're going to read an informational text about plants. It's called I Wonder What a Rainforest Is and Other Neat Facts About Plants. Written by Annabelle Donati and illustrated by Sharon O'Neill. We are going to page number 8. And look at this. We'll look at the pictures and then we'll read the facts about plants. How does a seed become a plant? All living things in nature reproduce themselves. Mammals, which are animals, most of the animals, have eggs inside their bodies that grow into baby animals. Birds lay eggs that hatch into baby chicks. Plants don't have eggs, but they have something that works in the same way: seeds. What is a seed? And here's a picture of all the seeds. I see some sweet peas, some corn, some beans, some flower seeds, seeds from pine cones, some peppercorns, some acorns, a plum seed, sunflower seeds. What is a seed? A seed is a plant that has not started to grow. Each seed is a complete package containing a tiny plant and enough food to get it started in life. Every plant has a different kind of seed. Seeds come in a variety of shapes and sizes. Peas and lima beans are seeds, and so are the kernels of corn. Some coconuts are the biggest seeds. Coconut seeds have a waterproof shell designed to float in the water. The milk inside the coconut provides the liquid the seed needs to sprout when it washes up on a sandy beach. Let's look at the model of a seed. This is a bean seed, and this is a basic model. Some seeds are different size and different shapes and different colors, but today we're going to look at the bean seed. We're going to look at each part of a seed. So let's take this part out. We'll talk about the outside part. The outside part of every seed is called a seed coat. A seed coat protects the inside of a seed. Just like a coat you wear in the winter to protect yourself from a cold, the same way a seed coat to protect the tiny plant inside the seed. The next part of a seed is a stored food. The new plant uses the stored food until it grows leaves that can make food. So first, the little baby plant will use the stored food, and when it has leaves, it will use sun, light, water, and nutrients from the soil to make its own food. The next part of a leaf is an embryo, or a little tiny seed that is stored inside each seed. Seeds have one or two sections of stored foods. For example, the beans have two sections of stored food, right? The yellow part is the stored food. A corn seed has only one section of stored food, but all seeds have stored food so that a new plant or an embryo can grow. But where can you find seeds? I went onto my kitchen and I started looking through fruits, vegetables, and all kinds of snacks I have, trying to find seeds. And this is what I found. The first one, I picked up a tomato. Tomato is actually a fruit because it has seeds inside. I sliced it in half, and here we go. I found some tomato seeds inside, and you can just see them very easily, and we eat them all the time in salads or hamburgers or in tomato sauce. Next, I found a lemon. I cut it in half, and guess what I found? I found seeds. Apples. A lot of us eat apples for snack. If you cut an apple in half, you also can find seeds that can grow into apple tree. Blackberries. A tiny little part of blackberries are actually seeds. You can sometimes even taste them as you eat the blackberries. They feel a little hard. Interesting fact about peanuts. Peanuts are the great snack. A lot of us like peanut butter or peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. So peanuts are actually seeds. They grow in pods like beans or sweet peas. If you open a pod, inside the pod you'll see some seeds or peanuts. What kind of seeds can you find in your kitchen? Remember, you always want to ask an adult for help if you want to cut a fruit or a vegetable to see the seeds. You'll be surprised how many seeds do you actually have in your house. The last part of our video is we are going to talk about a homework assignment. You can find the worksheet for the homework in the link in the description below. There's a link to the document that your parents can print for you, and you can do it at home. You're going to read a little 2 paragraphs about seeds and what's inside a seed, and then you're going to color the seed coat brown. Okay, here's the seed coat, color it brown, the stored fruit yellow, and the baby plant or an embryo green. And then you're going to label the seeds and then answer some questions like how seeds are alike. Look at some seeds that you found at home and see what is the same about seeds. Then you're going to think what is different about seeds. And finally, you're going to tell me, why do seeds need stored food? What is the point of the stored food? Remember, on our model it's colored yellow. Why do plants need stored food? You can send your completed worksheet to my email at anetka@gmail.com. The email address is in the description below. I would love to look at your work, give you feedback, and also enter you into the giveaway. This week I am giving away a free, specially made, just for you, plant coloring worksheet. Please like, share, and subscribe. Post a comment below if you have a question. And have a lovely day.